Hey you guys, it's Christnee and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my own eyelash extensions at home. So I did get my eyelashes recently done about 2 weeks ago, but I clearly need a fill-in and I don't feel like driving all the way there. But I will be using these I Envy lash clusters that I got from my local beauty supply. I got it in long because these are pretty long. These are about 15 millimeters. I don't know how long these are, but it looks like it should be a great match. As for the glue, I'm going to be going in with the hair bonding glue. For my last eyelash extension video, I know I used the Ardell lash adhesive glue, which is great. It lasts long, it works really great. However, I'm wearing contacts and I heard that lash adhesive like that melts your contacts and it gets all the chemicals that are in the glue in your eyes. And we don't want that. So I'm just gonna be going with the safe option today. But before we get into that, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you know exactly when I post, and make sure to comment down below. Okay, so first I'm gonna be opening the glue. I'm gonna be turning it upside down so that I don't have to dip in it the whole time. And I'm gonna open these lash clusters up. Okay, so this is what they look like. These are definitely longer. The ones I have on are longer, but it's not that much of a difference, and I think it'll look very nice. And hopefully I get the results that I want. I'm gonna be putting a little bit of the glue inside of this container that it came in. Only a little bit though. I hate putting lash glue in a container just for it to dry up, like when you're on your second lash, you know? So I'm gonna get started with this patch over here and then basically just fill in all the patches. Oh wow, it blends in really well. Ignore my ugly burn over there, but wow. First of all, I can't even tell which one is the damn cluster. So when you apply your lashes, you want to make sure that you're close to your waterline, but not on the waterline, because then the glue can get into your eye and wash it off and stuff like that.
10:30, no later than drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel. You make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love.
I'm not gonna lie, all of the lashes look like they're going in different places. Maybe it's because they're old. It's 2 weeks old. I've been sleeping on my face. But this is going in a completely different direction. Okay, I think I straightened them out. So let me stop overthinking. But we definitely need to fill in this little gap.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe.
Damn, I fell out. I'm mad. But anyways, we could always reapply it. It's fine. Sometimes it takes practice.
Baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me.
I think I'm gonna cut that long, weird looking lash. It's not the lash that I applied, it's the lash that my lash tech applied. But I think it twisted. Like, it's not completely on my eye, that's why it's that long. It's not supposed to be that long. I'm just gonna trim it a little bit.
Tonight is on an island. It's about time for waking up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We can have this place on earth. Take you there. Show you something, give you more than words. We can have this place on earth. Take you there. So anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Say our time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We've had this place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you. I'll show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you there.
Camping like the narco, got dope like Pablo.
I think they're pretty cute. I'm pretty satisfied with them. The only thing is that when this specific glue I used reacts to water, it gets watery as well. So you just have to be very careful with that. But other than that, I mean, I think they look pretty good. Like, y'all tell me what you guys think in the comments and try to do it yourself. Let me know how it goes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will be uploading 2 videos next week, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one.